Good morning children, welcome to our class. In your previous class I explained how to write ascending order and descending order. Let's see about place values. Here given some underlining digits. You should write place values. Okay Amma, let's see that one. Here given you get what is the number 245. Here given underline 4. Underline digit is what? 4. Underline digit is 4. What is the 4 place value, Amma? How to read this? 245. So what is the place value here? How to read that? 40. So what is the place value? 4 place value is what? 40. Okay. Now next. 652. We are checking place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. In 100 place, which number is there? 6. You read 600. How to read that? 600. So, what is the place value of 6? 600. You should write here 600. Okay, ma? Let's see next one. Ones, tens, hundreds. What is your number? You get which number? 675. How to read this? Only your single. You are reading 5. 675. What is the place value of the 5? Only you should write 5. Okay, Amma? Next, 950. 950. This is you are reading 9. Is that 900 because that is in a 100 place value. That is in 100 place value. So you call you are reading 900. The place value is a 900. Next one, Amma. 874. In tens place 7 is there. 7 place value is a 70 because this is in a tens place value. So what is the 7 place value? 70. Children, copy in your classwork. Please copy in your classwork, children. And next one, Amma. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number. Please children, copy this. Add the place value of the underline digit 245. 4 is the 40. Like that all. You can understand how to write the place values. How to read that number. You can check it. 245. 40. So place value is a 40. Or you are checking place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Next bit, what is our 6th bit? Sorry. Okay, children, look at the board. Okay, ma, copy this. So here given 3 digit sum, we are forming 3 digit greatest number and the smallest number. Okay, children. First, whatever here given numbers, or you get which digits? No, not numbers, digit. 5, 7, 4. These are individual digits. Okay. Now tell me, children. Which one is the greatest digit? First you need greatest number. First you need greatest number. So you are checking which one is the greatest number. Which one is the greatest digit? 7. You should write first 7 because this is the greatest. You need greatest number. That's why you write first greatest digit. Okay. 7 is the greatest digit. Next to 7 after 5 and 4. Which one is the greatest one? 5 is the greatest digit. Next you should write 5. Now last is a 4. Okay children, what is our greatest number? 754. Next you need smallest number. So tell me children here, which one is the small digit? 4. 4 is the small digit. 4 after 5 or 7. 5 is the small one. Next you write 5. Last one is the 7. So you get smallest number. You can understand children how to write greatest number and smallest number. In given digit, which one is the smallest, which one is the greatest digit? You write in greatest one, that first preference for greatest digit because you need greatest number. Okay amma, next one. Here in the second one you get 3 digits, that are 3, 6, 9. First you need greatest number. So first greatest number kavali kabatti first we are checking which one is the greatest digit. Which one is the greatest digit? 3, 6, 9. Which one is the greatest one amma? 9 is the greatest digit. So you need greatest number. So write you first 9. Okay, next 3 or 6. Which one is the greatest? 6. Next 3. 963. You write a reverse or checking small. You are checking from small to big or you write this number reverse. What is your greatest? 963. 3, 6, 9. Okay, that is the smallest number. Next, here given digits are 8, 0 and 1. Given digits what amma? 8, 0 and 1. You need greatest one. Okay. Let you write first greatest one is what? 8. You should write first 8. Then next 1 or 0 greatest 1. Next you should write 1. Next amma 0. Okay. Now coming to smallest number. Tell me children, what is the smallest number here? What is the smallest digit? 0 is the smallest digit. You should write first 0. Next 1 and 8. You need how many digit number? 3 digit number. Here 0 is having value. No, this is reading 18. You need 3 digit number. So this is not correct. Okay. So don't write first 0 because not having value for 0. First type cheste 0 ki value undadu. So don't write first preference for 0. Okay, then 0 after next smallest what? 1. So next preference for 1. First you write 1, then you write a 0. Okay, next 8. So this is the 3 digit number 107. 108. 108 is the 3 digit number and smallest number. For example, you write a 0 before. That is not value for 0. Only you are reading 18. That is 2 digit number. That's why first you leave it 0. Then you next preference for next smallest number. That is the 1. Okay children. You got it? How to write a greatest number and smallest number? Okay. Don't write first 0. Because here you are not mentioning 3 digit number. You write 0 first. But here especially I am mentioning 3 digit number. That's why you don't write 0 first because not valuing 0 first that is not considered. That is not considered. Okay. Write down number. Copy this. Next activity 3 amma, that is I will explain in next class. Okay children, this is copy in your classwork. And what is your homework? Whatever you write in your classwork, post that classwork. Please children, maintain one classwork for mathematics. Okay, don't write in rough book or another books. ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ రాసి పెట్టకండి. ఓకేనా, నీట్గా ఒక బుక్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. నోట్బుక్స్ తీసుకోండి, నోట్బుక్ తీసుకొని మ్యాథ్స్కి ఒక బుక్ పెట్టేసి అందులో నీట్గా క్లాస్ వర్క్ రాసేసేయండి. ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ రాసి పోస్ట్ చేయకండి. ప్లీజ్ మెయింటైన్ క్లాస్ వర్క్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్స్, స్టిల్ ఎనీ డౌట్ అమ్మా? ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ ఇన్ అవర్ వాట్సాప్. Okay children, take care, bye, see you.